Hello, what's up guys? In today's video we have the Infinix Note 40X which is locked. Let's remove this lock with the hard reset. For that, first you guys have to power off your phone, then press the power and volume up keys at the same time. As soon as the Infinix logo appears, release the power key but keep holding on to the volume up key until the no command page comes up. At this point, again press the power and volume up key for the recovery menu. Inside the recovery menu, use volume keys to move the option and use power key to select an option. Select wipe data, then factory data reset. This will completely erase all the data from your phone. As you guys can see here, the data wipe has been completed. After that, select reboot system. Now after the reboot, the phone will take some time to load up, so you guys have to wait for it. Then when the phone finally turns on, tap on start, move forward, set up your phone, and after completing this setup, you guys will be able to use your phone again.